Merry Christmas, everybody. My wife knows that I really like nice 22s. And we found this Anschutz model 1710 at Simpson's Limited. This came out of a really nice high-end collection out of the East Coast. And the gentleman that had these guns really had good taste, and he took good care of them. So this is an Anschutz 1710, and this is what they call a Meister grade. It's got the rollover cheek piece, a little bit higher grade wood, and it's an older one. It's got the flag safety, and it has Meister grade engraved on the trigger guard. Turn this around. I don't know how old this is. I'll have to get the date codes. The gentleman mounted a Burr scope on it. The only thing I'm going to do is a gun like this, a really high-end German 22. I'm going to put a German or Austrian scope like Zeiss or Zavarsky or Kayle's. I think a rifle like this deserves a really good optic. You can see the Meister grade wood. Sometimes the luck of the draw, but it's just snobble form, checkered, and nice fiddle back. Again, I'll find out how old this is, but I just thank my wife. Every Christmas she buys me a gun, and this Christmas she outdid herself. I just wanted to showcase the beauty of these Anschutz. And there's, I've got some really nice 22s, you know, Browning A-bolt, Browning T-bolt, the maple stack, but there's just something about these German guns that's really exceptional. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. This will be going up on YouTube.